Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of a very comfortable classic Jon Renau wig called Jessica. And the color on this wig is one that I get asked about all the time, so I figured I might as well review it. This one is 12/30 BT. So let me break down the color real quick. BT means it's blended at the tip. So we've got a base shade, which in this case is a kind of like a 30, which is like a medium auburn, but in the Jon Renau line, that 30 is not super duper red. The 30A is a little bit more red. That's the one known as hot pepper, but the 30 is a little bit more subdued, more like a brown with a little bit of red in it. And the 12 is the highlight shade, so that's like a light golden brown. And so it definitely looks like it's highlighted up here, and then as it gradually goes down towards the tips, the two shades are kind of blended together to create an overall kind of lighter shade. It's a very, very, very subtle effect. And this color is not particularly red. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the overhead light for just a second so you can kind of see it in what little natural light is coming in through the window. But as you can see with what little natural light we have, it's definitely more gold than it is red, but it does have a little bit of that red in it. So it's very pretty. It's not like a crazy red color. It's just really nice and warm and very, very pretty. It's just a very pretty color. And it's a nice alternative to kind of like a flat golden light brown. Gives you just a little bit more dimension than that. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the light back on because as I've mentioned before, the lighting that works really well for showcasing the texture and the style of the wig isn't always necessarily that great for showcasing the color. That really bright light adds kind of a red tint to it that isn't really in the color. So I just wanted to point that out so you don't think that there's any like shenanigans afoot. So I think this wig is so much cuter in real life than it is in the manufacturer photo. It's so cute. And the cap on this is insanely comfortable. It's just a really, really, really comfortable cap. It's the same way with the Allure wig. It has the exact same cap as the Allure, so if you find that one to be comfy and you think that this one's cute, it's a win-win-win. The price on this is very modest because it has traditional cap construction, open cap. It has a very cute curl pattern that's not too kinky curly. It's nice and big and loose and bouncy, and it's way cuter, like I said, in real life than it is in the photos. I don't think the photos really do this one justice. It's only 3.9 ounces. The front is 4 inches, so you could have a bang cut into it, or you can sweep it off to the side like I'm doing here. I think it's really meant to be swept off to the side. The crown is 8.75 inches, so it's a pretty nice long layer, but you know, hits right around here-ish. The sides are a little longer than that. They're 9.25 inches, so they hit right around here. And then the nape is another 9 inches. So this is definitely a mid-length. It hits right at the shoulders on me. It's about the same length as the Carrie wig overall. Carrie from Noriko, I meant to clarify. So, you know, if you like that style, but you don't like all that permatease and you want, you know, something that, you know, maybe has more of a bang cut into it or a more comfortable cap, let's say you're of the big-headed tribe like I am, then, you know, this might be a good alternative because even though this isn't technically a large capped wig, it will stretch like whoa. And I will show you when I take this one off. It's very, very comfy. It goes right into place, and it will only get more comfortable the more you wear it. So it's a really, really, really lovely choice. Here's what this one looks like from the side. I'm actually kind of blown away at how much prettier this one is in real life compared to the manufacturer pictures. Because the manufacturer pictures, the curls, they just look all piecey, and to me that makes them look kind of like wiggy. But I think this one looks surprisingly natural, even though it's not in a rooted color and it has permatease. Here's the back. I'm gonna go ahead and shake that out. Definitely moves like natural curly hair, and if you've ever had, you know, natural curly hair like I have, you know it all kind of moves like that. Here's this side. You can really part it in any direction because it does have that permatease top. I wouldn't recommend a center part though, just because that kind of says, hey, look at my permatease. So yeah, this one's freaking rad. I actually think this one is super cute, very casual. This would be a great wig for everyday wear. The texture means you don't have to brush it. You can just finger comb it or run a wide tooth comb through it. You just fluff it up and go, put it on a head form at night, done. I love easy wigs, especially easy wigs that aren't like super duper short, because, you know, I have a lot of face real estate up in here, so I don't necessarily, you know, like wearing super duper short wigs all the time. I think this one's really cute. It's kind of young looking, you know, which is fun and kind of hard to pull off with these kind of short curly wigs. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this one off so I can show you the cap construction. So here's what this one looks like up close and personal. Big, big barrel curls. Very cute curls. Definitely a fan. Here's what the top looks like. So yeah, permatease, but it's not nearly as much as, say, like a Noriko wig. Noriko's pretty much got the market cornered on wigs that are permateased like Beau. In fact, all of the permatease on this particular wig lives right in this little spade area. Has a generous portion of felt right here at the hairline to make it very comfortable. Ear tabs are meh, you know, nothing special, but should be easy to wear glasses with. The nape is not really all that extended, but it is very nice and soft and felty and has these really nice Velcro adjusters. Now here's the great part. Check out how that's so stretchy. And the back is really stretchy. Just really stretchy wig. So if you wear this, you know, if you're right on the cusp between a large head and an average size head, you're gonna be golden with this wig. You just have to wear it a few times and it will stretch out. So if you're like me, I have a 23.5-inch circumference, you know, give this one a shot, you know, wear it, let it stretch out on your head. I mean, it might be kind of tight for the first few days, but trust me, it will loosen up with wear. If you're like 24 and above inches, I would definitely steer clear, stay in your lane and stick to the large cap wigs, I'm sorry. This one, look at how much stretch I'm getting in the back here. I can shove my entire hand up in here and still have space. That's awesome. So like I said, super duper stretchy. Takes virtually no effort at all to style. You just kind of fluff it up. Boom, you're ready to go. I really like this wig. It's so comfy, it's easy to wear, it's lightweight at 3.9 ounces. That's pretty nice for a wig this length. Super flattering. I think that this would look good on women of all ages. Just really, really nice wig, especially for, you know, being that nice mid-length kind of curly do that's popular right now. This is the Jessica by Jon Renau in the very pretty color 12/30 BT, also known as root beer float. Thanks for watching, and check out my website. I sell wigs, CysterWigs.com. That's with a CYSTER because I'm a member of the PCOS community. And until next time, have a great day. Bye-bye.